Wait lang, I'm here. Binabantayan kita.
OMG, I made it out of there. I'm gonna stick close.
It's over. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Girl, that's something ako from here. That was so scary.
I'm hiding. Ako!
Tanungin ko na sa interview ko.
Hindi sa kwarto lagi. Diyan naman yan siya.
So, almost done, guys. Oh, nag-error ako. I'm so sorry.
Yak, camper. Huy, tulungan mo ako, camper, oh.
Okay, wait. We're almost done. There we go. Bumabot na kami dyan. We're on our way.
Please hurry. I thought I could juke her.
Like, what's the door, you guys? Hala ka! We have to save him. It's like a valuable asset.
Ay, gani.
Wait lang, wag mo na. Hindi siya naligtas eh.
Kakamp siya, oh. Di man siya nag-ano. He's not like taking damage. He closed ang door. Wow.
Saan kayo dito ako?
I'm like trying to open the door. Ngayon palapit.
Nahuli na naman.
Where is he? Nahuli siya? You know what would be fun? If Speedy was here.
Thanks.
Tara, wala kayo nahuli, no? Dapat lang. Tara, let's find things.
Pa-escape of that shot eh.
Huh?
Nag-leave.
Ay, wow. Wow. Skill issue.
Price na. Ay,
Baka double jump? Hindi tayo, eh.
yeah. Bye.
Wow, tignan mo, oh, nag-leap ang beast. Mahinang nilalang. Oh! Di mo yung beast, oh, nag-leap so nag-rejoin, mahinang nilalang.
Friends ko na yan.
Tignan mo, oh, parang e-daters pa yun sila. Oh, look. Matching pa talaga name nila.
Yeah,
Hi.
Ikaw ang beast. Ikaw nila lang.
Hoy, mag-team tayo.
Sige. Sure, okay. Baka iscam mo lang ako.
Or,
Well,
tignan mo yung mga e-daters, oh, yak.
i-dates pala sila. Feeling ko Big Brother niya gusto.
Ay, sorry. Tawa ka. Assuming na ako.
Oh.
Grabe ko ka-assuming. San kayo?
chat. Wala pa sila dito. Oh my. Uy, ano ko tapos ng computer? Oh, very good.
This is like one of the the maps that I like. Kasi parang simple lang siya.
Simple pala to.
Yeah, simple lang. What I don't like is that nas taas yung isa na computer.
You just said someone, I literally heard that. I heard like the whacking sound.
Yeah, I was Lara.
Yeah. Wait, is that like the girl that left and joined back?
It was the girl that left. I need to kill her. I want to kill her.
Oh my god, hi.
Sanka, I know you're here. Got you, bitch. Oh, kakamp kayo, ako mag-camp sa inyo. Mag-camp kayo sa akin. I got them both. Wow.
Wow.
Zira! Kalagot man to eh. Zira, mag-play ka lang dyan.
Ano dito? Ate, unahin mo yun siya.
Ah,
Magalit ako.
ano man, hindi pwede maglaro ka lang dyan?
Sigawan.
Wala, lobat na oh. Lobat na.
I-charge. Gusto man mong gawa, uy! Sira, tama na yan! Ano dito? Tigil na, ha? Tigil na. Tigil na.